A close-up under the stainless steel spray bar shows raw, whole mackerel gliding along the chute as jets of clean seawater.
At the veterinary checkpoint, each graded fish is cleared for safe, traceable transformation into ready-to-eat curry.
Once cleared by veterinarians and lab tests, each fish enters a line of precision machines that strip, clean.
Inside the mechanical descaling unit, raw salmon are gently pressed between rotating rubber-fingered rollers and high-pressure fan shapes.
The aligned, descaled mackerelfish slide into V-shaped tracks beneath a row of synchronized circular blades.
Headed tilapia bodies enter the automatic gutting machine, where rotating guide position each carcass belly up beneath a narrow cutting blade.
Precision trimming and deboning shape each piece for perfect texture in every spoonful of finished fish curry.
A second wash and precise brine ensure every portion is clean, seasoned, and ready to soak up layers of curry flavor.
Carefully chosen whole spices are cleaned, roasted, and ground to build the deep, layered flavors of factory-made fish curry.
Masala blend, the aromatic heart of every factory-crafted fish curry.
With masala blended to perfection, giant steam kettles will now turn oil, onion, tomato.
In massive kettles, oil, onion, tomato, and freshly ground masala fuse into a rich curry base that will soon embrace every prepared piece of fish.
With the curry base at perfect temperature and texture, pre-seasoned fish is added in carefully measured doses to every kettle.
As the Caucasian male American technician activates the transfer pump, thick fish curry, chunks and
From kettle to can, piping hot fish curry is filled and sealed in seconds to lock in flavor and safety.
Before heat sterilization, every sealed pack is scanned for seam integrity and stray metal, adding another layer of safety to each can of fish curry.
In giant retorts, heat and pressure drive sterilization deep into every sealed pack, giving shelf-stable fish.
After the precise heat cycle, cooled retorts open to reveal fully sterilized, shelf-stable fish curry packs ready for finishing and labeling.
Once cooled and dried, each can is labeled and coded, tying every batch of fish curry to precise production and expiry data.
Sealed, coated, and cartoned, finished packs move from the factory floor into organized pallets and controlled storage, ready for distribution. Before release to market, random cases are pulled from each pallet for final lab checks and a sensory panel that confirms flavor, texture, and safety.
Trained sensory panelists
In the finished goods warehouse, approved pallets are scanned, stored, and tracked, ready to be picked and shipped wherever demand calls.
Approved pallets move directly from racked storage into temperature-controlled trailers, preserving quality as fish curry travels through the distribution chain.
Temperature-controlled trailers carry factory-sterilized fish curry across regions, maintaining conditions until it reaches warehouses and stores.
From open sea to sealed pack and finally to the shelf, every step is engineered to deliver safe, consistent